Hey, it's Gina from WTI, and I want to tell you why I am loving the set of 3 collapsible tubs from ALYSTER. The most important thing to me is that they are collapsible. We live in a small home, so anything that I can find that can collapse down to a smaller size but is still really functional is definitely a win in my book. I've been loving the small one to refill my bed cooling system because it's actually small enough to fit underneath my bathroom sink faucet. I can fill it there and then I don't have to be making trips back and forth to the kitchen. It also works great when I need to drain the same bed cooling system. I love the large one to soak my microfiber cloths in. It holds about a gallon of water with a large size towel, several washcloths and napkins, and then of course my soaking solution. I've been using the middle and the larger size one out in my laundry area to keep dirty wet clothes away from dirty dry clothes so that they don't get sour while I'm waiting to wash them. I just love how convenient these are. How small they get when I need to collapse them down, how much they hold, how I'm able to use them all over my house, and when I go camping, I'm definitely using them as portable sinks. You should check them out, and that's my point of view.